Hey folks, okay, we're on lesson 1.9 problem solving. We got 6 word problems. So let's see how long these take. At closing time, the bakery had 2 1/4 apple pies and 1.5 cherry pies left. How much more apple pie than cherry pie was left? Okay, so I got 2 1/4 apple, and I got 1.5 cherry, and I need to subtract them. So I can't subtract when the denominators are different, so I need to make them the same. So I'm gonna make the 2 a 4 by multiplying it by 2. So this is gonna be 1, or we'll just leave the 1 out for now. We're gonna multiply by 2 over 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 2 1/4 minus 1 2/4. This subtraction doesn't work, so I need to borrow from over here. So this is gonna be 1, and then I'm gonna add 4 plus 1. So now I have 5/4. And now I can subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3/4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is there was 3/4 more of an apple pie than cherry. This is number 1. Number 2, the hardware sold 6 3/8 boxes of large nails and 7 2/5 of small nails. In total, how many boxes of nails did the store sell? So, in total, how many boxes? So we got to add these. So different denominators. So I got to make them the same. So I'm gonna multiply by the opposite denominator. So I'm gonna multiply 8 by 5 over 5 and 5 by 8 over 8. Okay, so we got 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 8 is 40. Now I need to add them. That is going to be 31 over 40. So, and then I don't forget about the 6 and the 7. That is 13 31/40. I'm gonna check that answer. That doesn't really look right to me. This is 1.9. Okay, that is correct. Okay, now we got number 3. Nita studied 4 1/3 hours on Saturday and 5 1/4 hours on Sunday. How many hours did she spend studying? So 4 1/3. And then I'm doing addition because we want the total number of hours studying, plus 5 1/4. Again, I have to find my denominator. So I'm gonna multiply by 4 over 4 and 3 over 3. So that is 4 over 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 over 12. So that is going to be 7 over 12, and 4 plus 5 is 9. And let's do one more. Number 4. Quan is 5 2/3 feet. Mary is 4 11/12 feet tall. How much taller is Quan? Okay, so Quan is 5 2/3. And Mary is 4 11/12. And we want to know how much taller is Quan. So we're going to subtract to get that. So I can see that this is 12 here, and I know that if I multiply 3 times 4, I'm going to get 12. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. So another way to think of this is Quan is 5 feet 8 inches tall, and Mary is 4 feet 11. So let's subtract. I can't take 11 from 8, so I have to borrow. So this is going to become 4. Then I'm going to add 12 to this. 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, then we can do 20 minus 11 is 9. 9/12 or 9 inches. So Quan is 9/12 foot taller or 9 inches taller. I'll pause it there.